Becoming a tutor is an easy process. Click Be a Tutor and then set up your tutor profile. Once you set up your tutor profile, you will arrive at this page. We encourage all tutors to add a bio by clicking the yellow button right below your title. More importantly, click the purple button titled Start Now and click the Create New Meeting button to include a meeting with your tutoring rates and a free consultation. We recommend you create at least one meeting that is a free consultation of about 10 minutes. We recommend that you create at least two priced sessions, one for 30 minutes and one for 60 minutes, when you set your rates. You will arrive on this page and you can edit the date and time, pricing, or any other meeting information by clicking the gear symbol located in the top right section on every card. Then click Edit. Here you can add or remove a payment method. To change the date and time frame, click the green colored button titled Next. Then you can change the time duration and the date and time. Then click Save. Lastly, you can change the order that your meeting options appear by pressing and holding the four arrow symbol next to the gear symbol at the top right of each card and move it in your desired location.